really smart? She has a friend named Nerfer? I don't know how many more bombshells I can take!
Excuse me, I'm building my own home security system. Where do you keep your turrets? For like a Browning 50 cal?
Yeah, we don't carry military-grade weaponry.
How about blow darts and bear traps?
Those are over by plumbing.
Thanks. Are you joking me?
No, plumbing's full of crap.
Plumbing. Full of crap. You are making a joke.
No, I'm not. I swear.
I want to trust you, but I've been burned before.
How about I take you to aisle 7?
That'd be really helpful. This place is so hard to navigate.
I'm John, by the way.
And I'm the man who turned you into a clown.
No!
You're the world's most perfect fool.
Security system's all done. Look at this baby. Could a clown have done this? Not that anybody's ever called me a clown. People respect me wherever I go.
I'm glad it's finished. I've had a hard time sleeping since the home invasion.
Ah, you mean the eye-opening demonstration? Yes, there are a lot of things out there that can hurt you, but now they can't get in. Randomized laser grid, turret-mounted railgun on the roof, and an oh-so-delicious cheeseburger dangling on the edge of an industrial-grade wood chipper. That'll turn any meat-loving home invader into mulch. And controlling it all, I'd like you to meet...
Hello, my name is Stan.
You named it after yourself?
No, it's S-T-A-A-N, Secure Tactical Alarm Administrator. N.
What's the N stand for?
Nothing. Just makes it like my name. I named it after myself.
That new Italian restaurant's cacio e pepe looks delicious. Tastes just like the other place. We have another test tomorrow, and she's not even studying. How is she doing better than me?
Sounds like what she's doing in class is what's known as passive absorption. She's letting her subconscious collect all the information. You should try it.
Passive absorption.
You're already overthinking it. Just chill. Let's put on some Sade and make a pillow fort.
I'm in. This is the first day of the rest of my super chill life. And this is the last day of my super chill life. So many memories. Why, there was that one time when my dad installed an alarm system at the house. Stan, confirm the house is safe.
All clear.
What the hell was that?
What are you doing, girl? You gonna sit down? No? Just crouching? Oh my God! What is coming out of the back of this dog? Gross!
There's a man walking his dog on our lawn. What if he's using the dog to case our house? I read the Moroccan army uses monkeys to test landmines. Stan, protect us against small animals and Moroccans.
Affirmative.
Come out, get your midnight falafel! The brown, crunchy jewel of Marrakesh!
Unknown party at the door.
Oh, that's just my regular walking group. They're okay, right? Stan, run a background check on Al Tuttle.
Albert Tuttle took a defensive driving class in 1994.
That's right before the Oklahoma City bombing. That can't be a coincidence. Front seat, open up. I gotta take a piss.
Esther Lonstein has ties to the Boys and Girls Club.